Hello everyone, it's Dragana at Saacibo. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I have a new episode of 15 minutes crafting challenge for you, and today we're going to make a specimen card. I'm going to use the same freebie that I've used in the previous episode, so please watch that video for the information on how to get it. I might also use some of the older freebies. We'll see how I go, and I think I'm going to use the page from the latest digital kit called Rustic Charm. I've shown you that one in the previous episode as well. We made this picket fence pocket in the previous episode, and this is one of the tags that was in the freebie. I simply cut it out, and later on I've glued this lace over. I was thinking of using the window from this Rustic Charm digital kit collection. That one there. Plenty of windows on my website that you can download for free. There's that one and a few more. So you can use those, or you can make your own frames, for example, with picket fences or with this freebie. Okay, I just want to use this one because that's the reason I created it. So I'm really curious to see what it's going to look like. So I'm just going to start by cutting it out. I think I'm going to use two of them. I haven't tried this, by the way. I'm just doing it for the first time with the window, like so. In case it doesn't work, we'll just cut the middle part too. But it should be all right. Just have to go in a bit further from this side. It's hard to see actually. I think over here I probably went a little bit over, but that's all right. I'll see if I can fix that by adding some glue. And I can keep this, I can stamp something on that and use it in my book of scraps. Okay, let's see now. I've wanted to use these ones, but now that I see them next to the window, it just doesn't look good. So I'm going to try with some of the other specimens. Oh, that one looks nice. I like that one with the fan. Even that one. That one could work too. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, maybe that one. Because I want to make it look like a view from a window. Sort of thing, if you know what I mean. Okay, now which of the tags I'm going to use? Maybe the one from last week. And now I need to mark. I think I'm better off cutting from this side. Honestly, I can't see anything on the other side. It's just too busy. So I'm just going to go like so. Okay, but I'm going to cut a little bit more. Okay, like this. I won't worry about this part. Look what I've done with my finger. That happens when you do housework. So my suggestion is avoid it at all costs. I actually slammed the lid of the rubbish bin right on my hand. It actually took some skin off. It was so painful. I'm so clumsy. Oh, that's gonna look gorgeous, I think. Love it. Now I will have to cut this smaller. I'll start by cutting like this. I want to have a little bit room here to glue onto the cardstock. I'm going to mark where to cut like this. It is bigger than the opening here, but it's smaller than that, so I think it should work. I'm going to use this glue. Just a little bit. Only got like a millimeter around, but I think it should hold it, and I'm going to use that on top. So I'm going to use the same glue actually, and it's acetone based. It's quite strong. It works on jewelry and metal too. Okay, and I'm going to cut this one because I want to hide that opening on the other side too. If you find this too tedious or too much work, you don't have to cut 4 openings, just cut 1. And there's also that one from another freebie too. You can cut out that part and then use that as a window. Perhaps that can be the inside and that can be the outside, and maybe I can stamp or stencil some bricks. Don't have to cover the whole thing. That works well. Nice. So I'm going to do the same as I've done with the other one. Just add the glue here. This turned out so cute. I've never done a specimen like this. See that part there? I'm actually going to cut it. I'm going to add the real rope there. Just need to punch some holes. This is not going to work through the fabric, I think. To use this one. It's safer to draw first and then punch. Okay, got it. Just gonna try this like so. There, this one here. Let's put that to see what's gonna happen. Okay, that worked, and I can just make a little bow here. Could have gone with a bigger piece of string, but I didn't, so I'm gonna make it work. Love that. I've got some of these about home sweet home. This was a freebie too. Okay, gonna go with that one. Home is where you find light when all grows dark. That would be nice there, I think. Just ink that. I'm glad I cut it out. I've been cutting out all these freebies whenever I had a chance and putting them in my old ephemera folio. Put that one there. Maybe we can put one on the other side too. I love that. I have lots of these left. I'm looking for some that are already cut, and I think I've got that one. Oh, it works perfectly. I think that's like parsley. Goes well with the rustic theme. I've never done a specimen like this before, and I absolutely love it because it's so different. It was in here, but I don't want to put it in there because I don't want to hide it. It's pretty. I want to be able to look at it. Maybe just use a little paper clip. I think these two would also look really pretty with a window like that. as soon as I do that, I will post pictures in our Facebook group, Crafting with Saacibo. You're welcome to join, inspire, and be inspired. I hope this was fun. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.